Hi! This video is part of a series on getting to know your SmartBoard 7000 series interactive display with iCUE. In this video, we'll show you how to connect a desktop computer, laptop, or other device to the display. We recommend that you install Smart Learning Suite on any computers you connect to the display so that you can use all of the display's features. Smart Learning Suite includes Smart Notebook software, Smart Product Drivers, and Smart Ink. The display comes with a license for Smart Learning Suite. Connect computers and other devices to the display using the connectors on the convenience panel, or the ones on the connector panel. In either case, be sure to use both a video cable and a USB cable if you're connecting a computer. Next, from the home screen, tap Input. Tiles for the connected inputs appear. The tiles indicate if the input supports touch. Tap the tile for the input you want to view. Now you can see the computer's input on the display. With smart software installed on the computer, you can deliver compelling lessons and activities. If you connect to an input frequently, you can pin that input to the home screen for easy access. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.